Cherry, you're shaking. I mean, your parents can be that bad, Fraser. And you haven't told me anything about them either, except that they really like the outside.
Yeah, they really do. They wanted to greet you in the garden, but I asked them to be in the best behavior.
Why you keep saying that like they have to be in the best behavior? Like,
No, it's not important. It's not important, okay? It's not important. Why don't we just call a taxi now, okay? Let's go.
Can we offer you two anything?
Cherry Bakewell? My sweet Cherry, you've changed so much since you've been travelling last year.
And you're both so dressed.
What did you say your name was again, dear?
it's Joe. Thanks.
Cherry, what have you done to your hair?
It's so unnatural.
I like it this way.
And what in Mother Nature's name are those?
Hush. Let's keep civilised, for Joe's sake, yes? Although, I don't know what possessed you to get all these tattoos. What?
Be polite.
Where did you two meet?
Oh, this is the funny thing. We were at the same airport. We were on the same plane. We start talking and here we are.
Are you okay, Joe, dear? You seem awfully quiet.
Yes. Just, it's very hot in here, actually.
Oh yes, well we like to keep the heating on full all the time because otherwise it gets a bit nippy.
I'm so sorry. Would you be okay if I go clean myself up in the bathroom?
Okay.
What are we going to do?
We really don't like this Joe fella.
He's changed you.
Look at your hair, look at your clothes.
Wait a minute. She's shaved them.
I bet he eats meat as well, doesn't he?
You know what? Yes, he does. And dairy too. I really thought this time you were going to make an effort for me. Never. I'm gonna check on Joe. He's been there for a while.